Hi everybody, I'm AG and today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this situation that you will probably find when you start to work as a professional database administrator, managing large JSON files and introducing its information into a relational database system. In this case, we are using MySQL, but can be any vendor. As is widely known, the relational database management systems are efficient only in a large-scale usage. In that way, we can only take advantage of indexes if we have the information arranged in a specific way inside the system, with the right columns and fields placed. By the other hand, JSON, also known as JavaScript object notation, has become the standard for information interchange across the World Wide Web and information technologies. Arranging the data in a key value pair for human readability is about a simple text file. So let's go ahead and describe the situation. You were assigned to manage the system of an organization with a big amount of data, and your responsibility is to build a relational database with all their requirements. So you have built a nice SQL table with ID field indexing for manage the information. In this case, it's about a simple products catalog coming from production department. And because you are not the responsible for generating the information, you cannot choose the format throughout the information will be sent to the system that is expecting a series of SQL insertions for another server-side application. But actually the data is not compatible at all with the database you have been created and must be rearranged in a SQL columns format before insertion. So, how to solve this? Let's see what options we have. First of all, data never will be rearranged manually because you were assigned to find programmatic solutions. Another option is to build a middleware application in any server-side language to rearrange the information, producing a series of SQL insertions. But this is not efficient because any application requires time and maintenance forever. Finally, the solution is to configure the database to do it automatically using the built-in PL/SQL, also known as SQL procedural language, and this can handle a big amount of records in a single insertion. So let's go ahead and build a simple SQL program to rearrange JSON files. On the first step, be sure to have the JSON file inside the database to extract its content. So let's build a table to receive the file from the production stage. As you can see, the JSON requires an ID field to referencing from procedure. For this short example, I'm going to introduce the file manually with almost 23,000 characters or 23 kilobytes. In the second step, we will create a procedure called Receive JSON Products. The SQL procedural language is an advanced subject that requires practice and deep studying. And if you're interested in learning throughout a professional course, a link will be available in the video description. For now, let's continue this specific solution. As you can see, the procedure is embedded in a begin-end block with two variables declared and initialized at the top before enter the loop. The I variable as an integer that will be driving the loop, and the JSON products which holds all the information coming from the JSON file. The central block of this procedure is the while loop that iterates over all the JSON products array until the I variable reaches the product's number. Be sure to have the JSON values separated to make possible iteration. In this case, the file is subdivided in two subdocuments, the batch number and the products array. In each iteration over the products array, each value will be read by the JSON extract function, and the I variable as index between brackets. A SQL insertion will be done for each row. Notice that we added a tree to each ID because we have already 3 rows in the products table. After all, we execute the procedure with the call sentence and the database system will do the job. Finally, we have introduced all information, creating a long-term solution for the future. Having all the information inside SQL tables, we can take advantage of indexes and other efficiency features. In this example, our JSON file has 50 products, but in real-world cases, there will be thousands of records among other considerations. So, thank you very much for watching our video. Be aware of our content and stay awesome.